It came for the first time in 2016. And look what God has done. My son Corbin and my son Caden. I can say the Butler legacy is living on, Pop. So I'm going to let my little brother say something. Then it's a song that's bringing our... You want to say something? I thank God for everybody being here. Let's just have a good time with the Lord. I'm going to start off like this. I want to believe like Abraham, love like David. I want to pray like Daniel in my heart. I want to believe like Abraham. I want to love like David. I want to pray like Daniel in my heart. Oh, I want to believe like Abraham. I want to love like David. I want to pray like in my heart. Abraham believed God. Oh yeah, it was accounted to him as righteousness. David was a man after God's own heart. Daniel was called in the lion's den. But he prayed, and God delivered. Master, what shall I do Our Father taught us this song a long time ago. I'm ready. He taught us to do something. He said, love thy neighbor as thyself. Master,